In sensitive areas, every movement counts. Cleanliness and freedom from maintenance are crucial for people who rely on them. The FDB Linear Guide, developed for smooth and dynamic linear movements. Large format rollers in a crosswise arrangement ensure smooth and easy running. The carriage remains removable. Modern machining centers ensure consistently high quality in the manufacture of the guideways. Each carriage is adjusted and tested for smooth running and uniform sliding resistance. FDB, for smooth applications, clean, light, reliable.